So these came with 421 and 428.
Yeah. I mean, look at the size of the cars. You needed a big one. He's got two of them, see? Oh, yeah. That's in case he breaks down.
Flacco 50 JJ the Magnificent Frisco 4168SS. Good morning, everybody. Subaru Albert. We are here at Ocean Beach. T-Rev. Oh, check that out. That's freaking mean looking right there. Damn. That rally. Woo. Dave 6970. What up? Damn. Look at that. Woo. I like it. I like it.
Oh, 280Z, 240Z, right? No.
Damn. Yumi. Got the nice pulleys. It's got EFI on it, Sniper EFI. One that looks like a car for NorCal Shabby Girl John. What's up? Good morning, y'all. Ocean Beach. Way nicer weather than East Bay. Oh, Lord, it's nice out here. It's nice. Elko. 68, probably. Let's see. It says 396. Damn. Look at that IROC. What's up, brah?
But I was in a rush and I was tired that day, bro. Nobody was there. While you're asleep, wake up and get to go.
Yeah, we should be getting it sometime next year.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah, that's funny because that's the one I took.
65. SS. Nice. Gelstein in the house. Thanks for going live. Sitting in the fog. Morning.
what's up? Morning.
How are you?
Good. How'd you bring it?
Pork. Yeah, it's foggy. It's hella cold when I left. Hella cold. Sky was at Typical Tuesday last week. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's actually really nice out today here. Look at this Buick. $5, $10, $50 joint. Look at that. You guys can't see that orange metallic. That's a bad truck right there. Ooh, that's smacking. Oh, that Impala. MMC Riders drawing. Bombed overstep. Thanks for going live. Beautiful. I'm sitting in the fog in East Bay. Yeah, it's cold out there, brah. I had to scrape ice off my freaking windows. Is that truck leaving? Those trucks leaving, I want to get a shot at it. What the hell? They not leaving? Risking my life here in the middle of the street. Look at this bad boy. Whew. JSJ joint. Ralph 1289 13 Roush. Look at that woodwork. Gorgeous. Damn. Look at that. Sheesh. Beautiful. Damn. I'm a hot rodder, but damn. I like these old school. Look at that. Just look at that. Damn. I'm sorry. I don't think that video is Stavio 53 Chevy joint. Look at this one. Look how cool the dash is back then, man. Push buttons, chrome. Man, look at that headliner. Yeah, baby. Damn. Got cool mirrors. Look at that. That paint. Back to that one. Damn.
It's got wood, I guess. Got wood. Mahogany.
Yeah, check out the 510 wagon. Ooh. That's freaking bad.
I used to sell hamburgers at Jumbo Drive-In.
Got a tack in there.
I got out of high school.
Anthony re-owned. Look at that. Nice Mustang. FB Cam 70 joint. Ooh, look at that, homie. Yes, sir. Part of the crew. Oh, this thing is nice. Heard the motor on this thing. Freaking bad. Those brakes. That. Clean. This old man's leaving. Let's check out his motor real quick. Nice day, City Fog. Yep, ESC 925. It's freaking hella nice here in the city. Oh yeah. Check these two coming up too. Get you a cool shot right here. Oh snap. Yes sir. Bad. Who'll get you that kind of shot? Damn. Morning. Merry Christmas, brothers.
Same here, bro.
Man, it's nice weather over here than my house, bro. Dude, I just scraped the ice off. It was so cold. It's crazy. Wow, nice green. Check out this Toyota wagon, bruh. This Volkswagen, we local cat right here. This thing's hella clean. This guy cruises too. He lives in Hayward. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Yes, sir. Ugh. She got the fastback. They got two fastbacks. American version, German version. Man, I take them both. I never had a fastback Volkswagen, but I wanted one. That Mustang. Damn, go back to this Mustang, cause sheesh. Yeah. This is Ocean Beach. Ocean Beach. Every third Sunday of the month. Third Sunday of the month. Check that out. Lochi, number 2. Nice. Look at this. Wow, let's see, 500. Woo. What's happening, brother? All right, looking sweet. Man, look at that. Oh, can you go? Oh, yes, indeed. Bam. Look at that. Mm-hmm. 4-speed. Look at that, guys. Man. Look at that motor in that bad boy. Damn. Man. How about the goat? Like a nice goat. Nice.
Like 4 Hondas.
Two goats next to each other. Different gens. Both red. Ooh, got the 3 deuces. Another typical Tuesday guy right here. What's up, guys? Look at that.
71.
Freaking bad. Yeah. Love the color.
Yeah. That's what sort of drew me to buying it too.
Probably pretty rare.
Yep. There, weren't too many in this color because people didn't like this color in that era.
Yeah.
It's called Steel Cities Gray.
Freaking bad.
I see a lot of modern cars painted, this similar to this color.
Yeah. Nice, man. Mm-hmm. Split bumper. Freaking bad. Heck yeah. Look at that. Grand Nash got the spot all by himself. How you doing, man? Check that out, Ford. Man, Fairlane 500. That's bad. Let's see. Transportation charge. 13,000? What? 32,000? What? No. 32. What? $26002. So this was $3,291. Wow. I'd buy that right now for that much. Yeah, it's freaking bad. The chrome. Clean. Damn. Nice SS. That's what it be looking like.
She goes behind the counter and sits up. Hey, get the dog jammed.
It's always a good one. How often you see one of these? Blue plate. Blue Vega wagon. It's not even all cherry, not at all rusted out. Damn. Look at that. Cherry, man. No rust. Barely any. Sheesh. Wow.
Nope. Workers. Yep. So if you look at all the different people in the world, what are they? Boston.
356 Speedster. This is some bank right here. This is a bank car right here. This is a rolling bank account right here. Keep this. All this thing is due will go up in value. Mopar John 27. That is a rolling bank account. That's better than keeping your money in the bank right there. And look how clean this Rivera is. Street Sense CC joined. Morning, y'all. We're here at not North Beach, but Ocean Beach. Ocean Beach. Every third Sunday. Way better than weather than 925-510. Man, I came over here. It was so cold. I had to scrape ice off the window. Out here, no wind. No wind. Sun is out. Not hot, but sun is out. No breeze. It's freaking killer. I bet you this thing got a lesson. Solano Stew joined. Hate Skeet Foe. Strange Man 510. I love those wheels. That black. Ooh. Foolish yet. Damn. Clean, modern build right here. Nice. Very nice. 427 Cobra.
I got lucky finding this car in 2004.
Connect Frenchies. Anyway, here's the other side of this thing. Damn. Mighty DQ. Look at that black. Jeez. Dig that. 67. C8 Pimp joined. Local to the Brain. WC joined. Look at this Galaxy. Mr. 65. Bam. What's up, brother? Good morning. Morning, local to the Brain WC. Man, it's a cool color. Ocean Beach. We're at Ocean Beach here.
I ain't gonna lie.
I hear a hot rod.
Is that Christmas Eve?
Yes, sir. It's in the city.
Blackbird Cafe.
Sal Mejia. I like the Z28 wheels. I need a set of Z28 wheels for my Elko. So check it out. You in the Nova? Hell no, I need help putting it in, brother. Need help putting that motor in. Yeah, check that out. Whoop. That's bad. Boosted 510. What's up? Just say when. Okay. What's up, brother? We in this nice and warm. Yes, I said that. Nice and warm. SF. Not a breeze, bro. I left my house, had to scrape the windows. I was so mad. It was so cold. So full of ice. Come out to sunny San Francisco. Yeah. Not even a breeze out here. It's freaking great.
Yeah, hopefully he'll come back. Yeah.
What's up, SR Garage? Ain't seen you in a minute. Busy making that money. You know what I like about this car? It's got all the stickers, old school. And the shop I used to go to as a kid. Catelli Speed Shop. Yes, sir. World Cup final. I got you. I got you. How's it going, brother? Welcome back. You doing good?
Yeah. Back on a little break.
Good.
Before I head back over there.
Good. You enjoying it?
Yeah. I'm out.
Awesome, man. You know your dad's all worried, though. It's all good, though, man. I'm glad to hear it.
I went mountain biking yesterday and my foot was like frozen. It wasn't even wet. I was only out for like an hour. I'm like, this is. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. It's my crew today, though. Yeah, no, we had more of us.
Good, yourself? You got your son with you? You hanging out? You all good? Yeah. You all good? Right on. Hey, you know what? Compared to our house, this is warm. It was way colder at our house. I had to scrape the ice off in order to get here.
Well, yeah, we almost, I didn't know if we were going to make it. We got outside, and the car was completely iced over.
Yeah.
I took the tarp off yesterday because I hadn't driven it for a couple of weeks. And so I was like, oh, crap. So, it's, but I was surprised it started up pretty well. And then we got over to pick up my brother, and also it was, I'm going, holy shit. We never had it that bad. It was basically hot
So
start,
cold.
so it was like crap. So after about maybe 20, 30 minutes, it was like, oh my God.
Old schools.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's why we got them. It's the personality.
It's true.
These guys are really cool guys right here. Look at this thing. Freaking bad. Bad. Benicia guys. Check that out. Heck yeah. Stun Nick 87. Yeah, it's freaking bad. Nova. I kind of like Novas, you know what I'm saying? It's a post car. They come, bro. He's got his car seat in there. Isn't that cool? These guys always drive together. Freaking bad. I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Are you kidding me? What doesn't line up?
383. I like that.
Completely different.
383 cubic inch. What's it say? Tuned by ear. Yeah. Freaking
Remember the bolt pattern for a tranny?
hella cool.
Core speed was always the same. Yeah, the bell house was always the same.
Ranchero. Clean. Big boat. Got the cool freaking hood. Man, Cherry. Not a Ranchero guy, but damn. Clean. Look at that wood. That wood. Work hard to get it. Yes, sir. I guess I didn't work hard enough because I don't have my hunting cars. Damn.
And then
Wait, it's getting to the end. It's getting there. Oh, there it is. That's a big mother freaking cherry, though. Damn. Nice green truck, 40 pickup, freaking ride. Very cool, very cool. Oh yeah. 88. Wait, I hear a car. I hear a car. I hear a goat. Ah, look at that thing. Now that's candy. Yes, sir. Wait, I hear a car. This guy leaving?
what about the AR-15?
Bad. You guys hear that? Yeah. Woohoo! How you doing? All right. Freaking bad. Check that out. F-body 69. Good morning, sir. AMD 6769. It's bad. I love the white walls on that thing. Got the cool little got the Schwinn. Damn. Barbara Thomas E-joint. Custom gate. Yeah, that's freaking bad. Let's do this a little bit more justice here. Racing 510. Love that 55. Heck yeah. What's not to like? Sheesh.
I don't know.
Man.
What I'm talking about. Is this firehouse?
Fuck, I want hella shit.
Bad.
Yeah, I'm going there. That's what I'm going.
What we hear here? Oh, this thing's leaving. Gotta get a picture of this thing before it leaves. Check this out. Wow. Who would think? One boy 78. Looks like another good day at Ocean Beach. Oh yeah. Ocean Beach is always good, man. Bel Air. Hey, I'm old school, so this paint. Woo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is like. Check out that paint. Oof. Hideaway. Heck yeah, look at that motor. Bam! Damn. Oh yeah. I like. Of course.
30, yeah, my buddy's is a 39 actually.
Oh, it's like a blower car.
Getting up too early in the morning, can't do it.
Greg, how you doing, man? Good to see you as well.
Oh, there goes that Camaro. Right on. It's probably an LS. Love the hood. That Wild 69. Sounds LS. I know, I'm kind of partial to this Camaro with the old school center lines. Nice paint. Check it out. Got the Cal tracks. And look, old school. No door handles. You can tell by the door panels of that build. Freaking bad.
For green power, that's what I wanted. I got another one that's 30.
Look at that. That paint was bad. It's yours? I like that build, bro. It's an older build, but it's freaking bad. Heck yeah. I like how you left it, too. Freaking bad.
My wife worked for Town Ford. After she sold it, a little bit after she
That
sold it.
could be their boy sprained my foot. Oh, damn. Well, let's put it this way. You might not be here, but you're warmer than I am. Old school candy. You got it, brother. That's bad. That's what makes it cool. That's what makes it cool. That 55 counting. Yep. Look at that, man. You never see curves like this. These new cars. Look at that. Look at that, dude. That's a running board. That tire's stuffed under there. Damn. Yeah. And you got the stock Super Sport. Hey. No Mustang Fastback today. No, the white one, it's out there. It's out there. It's freaking bad. It's there. I'll get back to it. I already did my first round. You come on late, bro. That white Fastback is there. Oh, then we got the modern day. No, I can't ruin the picture. Sorry. Should have.
I remember I got hurt. I remember that.
What's up, fellas? Y'all good?
Oh yeah, just header bolts trying to come off on me.
Oh, yeah, I hate that.
No biggie.
Right?
Handle.
Right? Love it, man. I'll have mine out, man. Pretty soon, I promise. It's nah. I still got.
You had it up there, right?
Nah. Nah. I'll get it running. I got the motor back. So it's not a legend. I really do have one.
Bad motor. No time.
Move to smooth 91. right, y'all want to see something specific? Give me a holler while as I walk by, and I'll give you a walk around. King Ray, the second joint. Okay. What y'all want to see? I know you want to see that white fastback. I'll get to that in a minute. Damn, but this is Chevelle right here. Damn. Look at that. I know we looked at it earlier, but damn. Damn. D. Kennedy joint. Maybe. I like. Yes, sir. 67 Nova. Dude needs to eat in low green. Maybe the top 3 there. Yup, 62 bell. Oh, that hella clean. Hella clean.
Well, no, because it was just like a little pint bottle. And remember, as soon as you give it back, the doctor
64 is nice, yeah. Look, our typical Tuesday guys right here. This guy got an LS and that thing. He drive that thing everywhere. Michi, check out this Galaxy 500, bro. Check it out. Obviously on bags, but check it out, check it out. Check it out, Michi. Yeah, wait, not there yet. I mean, it's cool. It's clean. Right. It's one of the guys I know. Check it out. It's a 4-speed. Damn. Here we go. Bam! Dude did up the motor. Fits in there pretty nice, too. Damn, look at that. Eh? Ooh. Okay, here's your fastback. There's your fastback right there. The only one today. There's your fastback. Damn. Let's get a better look. GT. Got the cool mirrors. Got the cool gauge pod. 4-speed.
Hey.
How you doing? Can't see it, but
see, I got
it's
that
white
Greg. See, they got
metallic.
the rally pack.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful metallic.
I think it'll be perfect.
Dual exhaust.
Where's this for?
Those are the louvers are functional.
No.
Thanks. I think that stumps fast. Freaking bad. Part of Timeless. Atomic 69. What's up, brother? Your daughter's here, and you're not here. Yeah, bring that 510 out. There was another one. I gotta go back to this thing. Both of these cars. I don't know which one I take. This one, that one. But check out the paint. I mean, gosh. Super deluxe. Just love this thing. Look at that one dash. All that chrome. Think again. No problem. Oh, you feeling sick, brother? Yeah, better stay home then. You knew? Damn, this thing is gorgeous. Damn. I'm gonna bring the 510. I was gonna bring it. Yeah, that would have been cool. It's a good normal crowd. Check it out. Check it out, Glenn. Damn. could have showed this guy. Could have had him not sit alone if you came out in that 510, okay? Look at that. He's all alone. Got an extra space here and an extra space here. Even OG 550s, yeah. Huh? Dude, crying for a friend. Huh? Imagine you can pick one of these up for like $500,000 back in the day. Damn, I still can't get over this one though. This one and this one. Love this thing. Damn, this is freaking rad. Look at that old school, man. Used to have emblems back in the days. That's a real hood emblem. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. All that chrome. How's it going? Freaking bad.
Typical Tuesdays. What's happening?
What's happening, brother? I hear me a hot rod. Oh, hold up. You know, I hear a car. Yeah. Let's see. No, not the Hyundai. No, not the Camry. What do we got here? What do we got here? Big boy. Oh, I love this song. Look at that. 70 Skylark. RH City joint. Just cruising on through wheels, you know, like it ain't no big thing. This is Big Boy effing didn't go. I think he's here. Your boy came out. We got Timeless right here, bruh. Right there. Right there. Right there. Get it from this. Let's get this angle. What's up, bro?
Hey, what's happening, man?
Let's get this angle. Oh. Ooh, I got that pose going on.
Look at that wheel, boy.
Who says you can't drive on three wheels? The ghetto. Look at that. Who gets you that pose, brah? Who gets you that?
So much game in a too-short rap. Can't be white and white can't be black. Why you wanna act like someone else? All you gotta do is just be yourself. We're all the same color. You better listen
He'll get you that shot, okay? Clean color, that's fine. Yes, sir.
Save your legs.
What's happening, bro?
All right.
Ah, look at this.
It was cold. I'm not gonna lie, it was cold.
72 Cuddy. Yeah, that's Cuddy was clean.
I was living through you.
Look at that.
We didn't go this year.
Look at this interior. Smack it, bro. Meet you if you're still there. You seen this thing? He's local cat though. Local to our side. Have you seen this thing though? Damn. Heck yeah, look at that. Sheesh. 93 SSP. Huh? Clean, clean, clean. Look at that. Look at that color. Yeah, that thing is hella clean. That's one of those, you know, like car show. That's car show build.
That's what I thought. It looks so cool. I
Yeah.
want to go there. Oh, when is it opening?
Yeah. It's smacking money. I like this old school right here. Old school build. Sniper. But just hot rod. This is just screaming. Just screaming hot rod right here.
For never going. For never going.
How fat that wheel is. Damn.
More teams to the cup? You know what? It's going to be a month-long, 2-month-long.
Look at that. Clean 5-0. Clean 5-0. All right. Well, y'all seen it all. I might slide on later. But for now, I'm out. Oh, you know what? I take it back. I lied. We gotta go check out this truck over here. Did do a walkthrough on this truck. Check that out. This is a show right here.
Because I'm literally just get to the flats and I hit the brakes and I locked it up. And the asset started going to the wall and I correct it. And next thing you know, it's going back the other way and I don't, it's too late.
Right
It's
on,
going around like
right
this.
on.
And yeah, like I said, this quarter panel is hit in the weed.
Look at that.
So I'm just on the last tires up just on the edge there. Like I said, Jesse just able to swing by. Yeah.
You know, I dig this stuff, man.
Yeah, they have that.
The raw talent that's right here.
Yeah. That's why you're right.
It's fucking bad.
Yeah. That's gonna. Yep.
The talent.
Some people get too much gas and they get out of control. You know, yeah.
Fucking bad.
Oh yeah.
Fun time. Now you got a story to tell about it.
Yeah. Hey, hold on, I'm gonna put this back here as well. Yeah.
Freaking bad. Oh, got the tool. Blend stick. I like that.
Hey, you gonna check out the New Year?
Probably. Yeah.
He said he does 90.
Mustang.
Something else on the agenda?
Man, Mayans? I'm not too sure. But freaking bad. we got a thing. The thing. We got a thing.
The amount of money you spend on a 911 motor, I know he does it for trade, right? But for the common guy to buy a 911, I could buy 7 or 8 per week. Kenny's.
God. Even these Volkswagens, these vans, the unloved ones are now starting to be worth some back.
He just collects the stuff because it's so you gotta like rebuild them or fix them or whatever because they don't exist anymore.
Yeah, that paint on that 65 was amazing. Yes, sir. Still got a Subaru?
Yeah, next time you go in there, you say,
Suzuki motor in here.
The Jansen Enterprise down at Belmont.
All right.
See what he said.
He probably gets some of the work from Jansen.
I was thinking
Jansen does it all.
Same. All right, you guys seen it all. Seen it all. It's almost as if you guys were there, minus the freaking the wind, which just started. Minus the smell of pot, smell of exhaust fumes. Oh, nice photo. All right. Thanks for joining, guys. You guys have a safe Christmas, holidays. Don't drink and drive. And all you typical Tuesday guys. Not this Tuesday, the following Tuesday. All right. Till the next show. Peace out.